There is a quote from Warren Buffett which is one of my favorites, and it goes like this: if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Essentially, Mr. Warren Buffett is highlighting the importance of passive income. Rather than your only source of income being the salary from your job, Buffett thinks you should be investing so that your wealth can grow on an autopilot. It is often said that an average millionaire has about 5 to 6 streams of income. You can't always trade your time for money. You need to establish passive income streams to help you diversify and increase your income. So, what is a passive income? Passive income is the opposite of active income. With active income, you are paid for the work you continuously do. With passive income, you do the work first, then collect payment over time. But passive income streams require an upfront investment and a lot of nurturing in the beginning. After some time and hard work, these income streams start to build and are able to maintain themselves, bringing you consistent revenue without much effort on your part. Adding passive income streams to your portfolio can help you increase your earnings and accelerate your financial goals in tremendous ways. Now let's talk about the different ways you can earn money via passive income. Number 1. Invest in stock market. Investing in stocks is the easiest form of earning a passive income. Rather than keeping your money in the bank, which gives you such a low earning interest rate, it's better you take that money and invest some of it in the stock market, which can give you far greater returns. But keep in mind that to get some good returns from the stock, you have to have a lot of patience because it's a long-term game, and you also have to do some amount of research before investing in any stocks, as the stock market is volatile. But if you don't have time to do all the research regarding which stock is the best for you, then you can go for the index funds. An index fund is a mutual fund that imitates the portfolio of an index. For instance, if you invest in an index fund based on Nifty 50, you'll be invested in the general market without being actively involved in the everyday move. The best thing about investing in stocks is that you don't have to keep on maintaining it. You just invest your money, forget about it, and let your money work for you. Starting a YouTube channel. The second source of passive income is starting a YouTube channel. Yes, starting a YouTube channel can generate a good source of passive income for a long period of time, and it is very easy to start. Plus, you don't need a big investment. All you have to do is create a channel in the YouTube and start uploading your videos. But there is a catch. You will not be earning money from the very first video of yours. To become eligible for the monetization of your channel, you got to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, which I am also trying to achieve through this channel. So do subscribe to my channel so that I can also generate some form of passive income through it. Now, how much can you earn from YouTube? Using Forbes' estimated pay rate of $5 per 1000 views, a YouTube video with 1 million views can make an upward of $5,000, which in Indian currency is 3,99,796.50 rupees. Investing in rental properties. Investing in rental properties is one of the best known ways to earn a passive income. With a little bit of investment, you can buy and rent out houses, offices, apartment buildings, and other types of real estate. Then you will be able to earn rental income each month, or even hire a property manager to manage your day-to-day issues with tenants and collect any payments. But it is not as easy as starting a YouTube channel. It requires hard work and an ample amount of financial investments at the start. If you are unable to invest in a separate property to rent, you can rent out your own current properties by partnering with a rental company like Airbnb. This method will work well if you have spare rooms or you have to be out of town for a while. To earn passive incomes from rental properties, you must determine 3 things: how much return you want on the investment, the property's total costs and expenses, the financial risks of owning the property. Create and sell online courses. If you are an expert in some field or subject, selling online courses may be a great passive income idea for you. Whether you sell them through your own website or online learning platforms like Udemy, you will find plenty of individuals who are willing to pay to access your content. Of course, things are easier if you sell on platforms like Udemy, but your course may be heavily discounted during certain periods. This will affect how much passive income you earn. In contrast, selling through your own website gives you control over pricing, meaning you don't have to sacrifice your margins just because others are selling at a discounted price. As an online instructor, you could be earning from a few $100s per year to a 6 or 7 figure income. Investing in education and lifelong learning is an emerging trend among both old and young learners. Online courses have come to fill in the gaps of knowledge. A lot of people seem to prefer the comfort and flexibility of their own homes, avoiding the complexities of going to any physical class. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing in simple words means referring a product or service by sharing it on a blog, social media platforms or website. The affiliate, that is you, earn a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique link or code associated with your recommendation. Do it right and this performance-based opportunity can be a source of additional income, and there are several platforms to earn money through affiliate marketing. While any platform could be used for sharing your affiliate marketing links or codes, it's useful to determine which platform are easiest to reach the audience and where they are most likely to buy the products. For example, if you write well and have an audience seeking newsletters, email in your own blog may work out the best for you. If you have a large number of followers on Instagram, that should be the best place to begin. However, there is no reason to limit yourself to any single platform. Affiliate marketing is low risk since there is no cost to join affiliate programs. You can start making money with an established affiliate product or service without any upfront investment. Also, affiliate marketing can generate a relatively passive income through commission. Though initially you'll have to invest time creating traffic sources, your affiliate links can continue to deliver a steady paycheck. Finally, successful affiliate marketing offers the potential to significantly scale your earnings without hiring any extra help. You can innovate to reach out to a wider audience while your existing work continues to generate revenue in the background.